Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browse YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can add social media transitions. So let's jump right into the video. Well, right, you have to do right now is just to import a video, drag it into the timeline. In here we have to go to the transitions panel, and from here we have basic camera and also social media transitions. Now click on it, select the transitional category here on social media transitions, and from here we have those are the transitions. So I'll select, you can see a preview, which is pretty cool. I will use this one, I think it's pretty cool, but you cannot add a transition. You need to add to make a cut, right? To cut a video, to split the video. So if you want to split the video, press on your keyboard Control B, and now you split the video, and now you can add that transition. We can increase the duration, decrease it. I like to use the maximum for now, and now we have the transition. Obviously when you have this transition, it will look very good if you actually here you change something, you added something different. Let's say we went here, maybe here you'll make it black and white. Maybe think that's the best for this type of transition. This is what you should do. Now it's black and white, but it should be around here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for daily tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.